Welcome to our repair workshop. In part one, we tackle a critical issue, a damaged center bolt hole that has become too large, throwing off the alignment. We showcase what a normal center bolt hole should look like, even though the current hole is a bit larger than the original design. Part two is all about precision. We've designed a custom template to guide our repair process and ensure every cut and weld is spot on. In part three, we weld in a robust 14mm bolt that not only reinforces the area but also simplifies the drilling process later on. Part four involves carefully cutting the bolt and preparing to drill a new center hole, ensuring we maintain structural integrity. In part five, we start drilling the hole using a small drill bit to keep control and accuracy at every step. Part six sees us switching to a 14mm drill bit to enlarge the hole to the exact size required. Part 8 focuses on refinement. We grind the welded area down to create a level and smooth surface that's ready for final inspection. Finally, in part 8, we run a straight edge along the surface to ensure perfect alignment and finish. Every detail counts. While others settle for quick fixes, we re-bolt for perfection, transforming misaligned chaos into engineered excellence.